All India Reporter is one pioneer in the field of publishing authentic, comprehensive legal judgments of Supreme Court and High Courts. Established in the year 1914, the 106-year-old company is one of its own kind and the oldest law publishers in Asia. AAR has its head office at Nagpur and publishes around 17 journals and various legal books. It stands as the parent company for many associated companies such as AAR Infotech, AAR Web World, AAR Law Academy, AAR Infotech Services Private Limited, and AAR Cafe. With its offices at leading metros like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Jaipur, Pune, Ahmedabad, it has around 1 million subscribers for AAR products. AAR publication includes AAR accident claims and compensation cases, AAR Bombay High Court reports, AAR Bombay High Court reports criminal, AAR check dishonor reports, AAR civil cases, AAR Jharkhand High Court reports, AAR Karnataka High Court reports, AAR Privy Council, AAR Supreme Court Civil, AAR Supreme Court Criminal, AAR Supreme Court Weekly. All India Reporter, All India Reporter Weekly, Allahabad Law Journal, Criminal Law Journal, Labor and Industrial Cases, Manual Series 6th edition.
It is with great pride that the AAR Cafe in SOEL is one of the biggest educational institutions in India. The digital access and the amenities available are accessible to all students. There is a digital library and 24/7 convenience access to all of the law students. Apart from all this, the Law Spice portal can also avail the e-books and other digital access to the people.
Law Spice website introduced by the AAR Cafe is very initiative and welcoming among the students. The students are provided with separate accounts for themselves where they can access study materials, important Q&As and judgments from Supreme Courts and other High Courts. The students can access the materials from their smartphones where basically they can use it for their academic and research analysis. The website isn't restricted from only Indian cases but also international landmark cases which will be updated automatically with digitalized technologies.
Common people think that knowing law is something which is irrelevant to their life and they think only the lawyer should be aware of what a law it is. But that is not the case. Every individual as a citizen of India are to be aware of law and that is their responsibility. I, being the first generation lawyer in my family, take privilege in educating a lot of people of what a law it is, and I can educate my family and society as well, by which I can prevent a lot of crimes in the society which are happening because of the ignorance of law.
When I think about the importance of law, the first thing that comes to my mind is the Constitution of India. Our constitution is a supreme law and it is the responsibility of each and every law-abiding citizen to follow the fundamental rights and duties. Just imagine a situation if there was no law, then we would be living in a barbaric society today.
AAR has been conducting lots of seminars and workshops in various fields. It has been benefited through all those theoretical as well as practical aspects. They invite learned judges and experts in those law fields.
The working benefits of AR plays an important role in moot court competition, debate competition preparation. The journals and articles are here is able to access for many purposes. The landmark cases and judgments are released from 24 to 48 hours from the verdict.
AR is helped me for preparing my examination, project and paper presentation.
The conference hall present in the AAR Cafe helps us to organize lots of fruitful meetings to organize various legal events. This acts as a perfect place for important deliberations.
The AIR Cafe in Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University was inaugurated on February 2, 2019. Then Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Justice Indira Banerjee, inaugurated the cafe. It is one of the biggest events that the university has conducted till date. The response from around the state was very huge that the event was the talk of the town at that point of time. The excitement in the entire legal fraternity and among the students was very huge because of the benefits that the cafe had in store for us. Especially we have to mention about the Law Spice website and the books that are available in the cafe.
AAR is revamping with a better platform every day. We, the members of AAR Active Club, look forward to share the same opportunities and benefits with you all. Come and explore. Thank you.